cow in the field goes moo, 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 moo. The cow in the field goes moo, 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 all day long. The duck in the pond goes quack, 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 quack. The duck in the pond goes quack, 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 all day long. The dog in the yard goes woof, 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 woof. The dog in the yard goes woof, 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 all day long. The cat on the roof goes meow, 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 meow. The cat on the roof goes meow, 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 all day long. The sheep on the hill goes baa, 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 baa. The sheep on the hill goes baa, 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 all day long. The horse in the barn goes neigh, 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 neigh. The horse in the barn goes neigh, 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 all day long. Pig in the pen goes oink, 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 oink. The pig in the pen goes oink, 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 all day long. All the animals sing their song, each in tune, all day long. Let's join in and sing